Hi guys, in this vlog I will show you how long it takes to get from here, from Columbus Hotel to Playa de Las Americas by walking. If you turn left here, you reach El Camisón beach or Las Vistas beach, but we are walking straight forward to reach the Playa de Las Americas. It's the first time we are going there. Okay, here at the second intersection you have two options. You can turn right and after that left over there, or you can turn left here and turn right after. Okay, today it's a Wednesday morning. I like it. It's a quiet morning, a morning that's not too busy. Only a few people on the street right now. The weather is lovely, no cloud in the sky. I see a Boss store here which is closed or it moved. Here we have one bar open. Okay. And here somewhere I think we have to turn right. I will have to look on the map, on Google map. Near this H10 hotels. It's the first time we are going to this beach. It's a narrow street. Okay, down on this alley. How beautiful is this alley with the palm trees on the left and on the right. You can already see the ocean in the distance. Here on the right we have some beautiful houses, private properties, I presume. I wonder how much a property like this costs, close to the ocean. But I'm sure it's not cheap at all. Here, this white building, I presume it's a hotel or a block of flats. Okay, not long now. I already see the beach. Oh my god, what is that? It doesn't seem to be a beach at all. So the time is 7 minutes past 9. We reach the beach, but I'm not sure that's the beach, Playa de Las Americas. I guess not. I see here it's like a surfer area. A lot of guy with surf over there in the water. It's a rocky terrain. I mean, this is not a beach, yeah? Okay. But if I'm looking on Google Maps, 1 second. Playa de Las Americas, this one. What is this? No. Okay. Change of plan now. We're going to Playa Troy beach, which is over there somewhere.